The recent report by Daily Post that 68% of prison inmates are those on awaiting trial, while those convicted are 32% in the Nigerian prisons. Persons on awaiting trial, if convicted, may have full wrath of the law for 1, 2 or more years jail term. Sadly, most of them spend more than the years prescribed by the law for the crimes committed. Speaking on why their number outweigh those convicted in the Nigerian prisons, some FCT-based legal practitioners blamed it on prosecution.
And at times you discover that some of them would have languished either in prison custody or in the custody of the security agents for so long a time that is even more than the period they would have served their sentence.
Our judicial system is too slow. Yes, there is need for the Nigerian police force to employ more people, even the Ministry of Justice, because there are some cases now you have one prosecutor to handle so many cases.
Most times, things don't actually go as fast as you expect in courts, because these are actually situations that has to do with people's lives, and you have to actually take your time in making sure that you don't actually end up putting the wrong person in prison for a crime he or she never committed.
On whether it can be likened to a case of justice delayed is justice denied, they expressed divergent views.
It's not a case of justice delayed and justice denied. Nobody has denied them justice, but is a case whereby their justice or determination of their legal rights and obligation are a kind of delayed unduly.
It's purely a case of justice denied and justice delayed, justice denied. For instance, there are some offenses that the law will say the penalty for it is no more than a year. But you find some of them spending more than a year before they conclude their cases. So of course it's a case of justice delayed, justice denied.
Yes, that's why I stand on the earlier thing I said. It's a system that is not perfect.
On the way forward, they call on all involved in prosecution to adhere to Administration of Criminal Justice Act.
Is an aspect that needs urgent and serious attention.
Some of the magistrates and judges, they need to be lenient in granting bail, because there are some cases the judge will give harsh bail condition. It's one thing to grant bail and another thing for the bail condition to be fulfilled. If you, for minor offenses, you require level 12 civil servants, 2 shorties, and the person cannot meet the bail condition, the purpose of that bail, granting that bail in the first place, will be defeated. So my opinion, there is need for the judges and magistrates to be lenient in granting bail.
It's just about continuous effort and continuous work in trying to ensure that we all do our part, and also as lawyers not to seek for unnecessary adjournments.
The Nigerian judicial system has undergone several reforms, but it appears that decongesting the prison by speedy trial of those on awaiting trial remains a hard nut to crack. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.